Good evening, everybody. As you can see, it's just a little breeze, not much. The weatherman says it should start here in about an hour, so I'm ready for it. Let's get on with some of these earthquakes. There was a 4.0 Ionian Sea at 71 miles in depth, a 4.6 at 2 Station, Alaska at 16 miles in depth. There was a 4.2 Ionia Sea at 37 miles in depth. There was a 4.5 in Greece at 6.2 miles in depth. India had a 4.3 at 73 miles in depth. Mexico had a 4.2 at 8.1 miles in depth. A 4.8 Anian at 6.2 miles in depth. Baja California border region had a 2.7 at 5.5 miles in depth. Texas had a 2.9 at 3.1 miles in depth. Turkey had a 4.3 at 39 miles in depth. So that's all I have for right now. If the storm kicks up and the wind starts blowing, I will come out and get some video of it. Other than that, we're going to watch Game 3 of the World Series tonight. God bless everybody. Please be safe. You guys are so awesome. I don't know what else to say. You're just awesome. Thank you so much. 2 thumbs up for you guys. Have a great night.